Hey, what's up everyone? Ian here from Droid Mania with a how-to video for the Galaxy Note 5. Today, we'll be installing the Coral tempered glass screen protector, so let's just go ahead and get right to it. Now I have here the Glass Pro Plus. It's a premium tempered glass and it comes with a lifetime warranty. On the back, you can see here that it's heat resistant, case friendly, has a 9H hardness rating, an oleophobic coating, and more. It also says here that inside the packaging you're going to get a glass screen protector, an alcohol wipe, a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, and the installation instruction. Next, let's take a look inside the packaging, shall we? First up, we've got a sleeve here that houses the tempered glass screen protector. On the back is where you're going to find the installation instructions, so be sure to take a look at those if you've never installed one of these before. Now I've done this several times on my channel before, so you can use this video as a guide, but make sure that you're familiar with the process before you begin. Next up, we've got the preparation kit here, and inside, you're going to find the squeegee, the alcohol pad, and lastly, the microfiber cloth. Let's take a look at everything that's included before we get to the tempered glass installation, which is what you came here for. Inside the sleeve, you're going to get the tempered glass itself, and you'll also find a dirt remover. I'm always on the fence with these, but let's give it a try. Alright, that's it, so let's go ahead and prep our phone. First, open the alcohol pad and use it to thoroughly clean your phone display. Make sure you get everything off, and I can't stress that enough. Now this next tip I always mention, but I'll go ahead and say it again. Make sure you clean your fingertips. Trust me, you don't want any oil on them while you do the install. Next, take the microfiber cloth and dry your display. And when I'm finished, I usually give my phone the once over and blow off any dust or debris. But today, since we've got this dust removing film, let's go ahead and use it. We'll start by removing the plastic from the back and use it like so to collect any dirt from your display. Now you can do this until you're satisfied that nothing else remains, and when we're finished, we'll be ready for the install. Now that everything's all prepped and ready, we can get started. Remove the plastic from the tempered glass screen. I recommend not doing this over your phone so you don't get any dust on it. Next, you're going to line up the protector before placing it down on the display, and with this I can't say it enough, take your time. Usually, you're only going to get about one chance to lift it up without ruining it. When it's in the right position, then you can let go. Firmly press down on the center of the display to push out any air from underneath the glass, and what you'll see is that the air slowly moves towards the edge as the glass adheres to the display. Next is where the squeegee comes in. You'll take this to push out any air bubbles or pockets that remain towards the edge of the glass and out. Now this can take up to a minute or two, so just take your time with that. Because the Note 5 has these rounded edges on the display, I also take a large microfiber cloth and rub the edges for about another 2 or 3 minutes to help the glass create a nice seal. You don't have to do this, but it's just something that I recommend. Alright, now let's take a quick tour around the display to see how we did. I can see here on the left side I'm off about 1 millimeter or so. Can't change that now. There are a few tiny air bubbles up top, but I do expect those to disappear with continued use. I don't really see any issues on the right side or along the bottom, and with this glass you're not going to have that halo effect after your install. If you're not sure what that is, it's when the edge of your tempered glass screen protector doesn't seal all the way and it creates that ring around your display. Check out my video for the S6 glass install and you'll see what I mean. The link's down below. Before I ended this video, I wanted to try out a few things. First, I'll say that there's no issues when you touch the display. Everything is working just as you'd expect, and it's as responsive as ever. In terms of visibility, it's crystal clear, which is great because you don't want anything taking away from your Note 5's display. As you can see, I did put a case on the phone. Again, there's no issues and nothing is obscured. And lastly, I tested my S Pen just to make sure that it wasn't impacted. I knew it wouldn't be, but I wanted to show you just in case you were wondering. Okay, so there you have it. We've installed the screen protector and done a pretty good job if I do say so myself. It's got all the qualities you'd look for and the price to match. If you're looking for a good protector for your phone, I definitely recommend this one, and the link's down below in case you're interested. Lastly, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.